Julia Graves is a highly accomplished professional, integrating her diverse training background with a profound love for plants and nature. She is a master herbalist, classical homeopath, Gestalt psychotherapist, body worker, and flower essence specialist. She first learned herbalism in childhood from her mother and furthered her knowledge in cupping, herbalism, homeopathy, and anthroposophical medicine at age 19 from an old naturopathic doctor. Julia studied medicine in her native Germany and holds a university diploma in classical homeopathy. She brings over 40 years of clinical experience to her teaching and practice, focusing her passion on the energetics of plant medicine and reviving awareness of traditional European medicine. She is the author of the well-known book on the doctrine of signatures, The Language of Plants, and has developed her own line of lily flower essences, the Lily Circle. Julia has founded and headed the Haiti Naturopathic Clinic since 2010, where she has treated thousands of impoverished people for free. As senior spiritual practitioner, she has dedicated time to studying Buddhist meditation in the Himalayas and lived in Findhorn, focusing on how to use the mind in healing. Julia is renowned for the clarity and liveliness of her teaching style. As clinical herbalist and teacher Kelsey Barrett notes, her clinical clarity of plant medicine is complemented by her truly artistic interpretation of botany, and her ability to, quote, simplify elaborate theory helped each student progress in the classroom. Her work is truly seen as a planetary convergence, bridging together herbal traditions and traditional medicine systems.